I've been so tired on my days off from work that I have just been vegetating and scrolling on my phone, procrastinating, and sleeping in until 2 p.m. So let's save this half-wasted day and be productive. Hey guys, it's 3:02 p.m. I am in my pajamas. All I've done today is have breakfast and scroll on TikTok and Instagram. I'm over it, okay? I need to get up, I need to do things, so I'm gonna save this half-wasted day and just, I don't know, put my laundry away, maybe go to the gym. I have to study. So the day isn't over yet and I need to get my shit together. I just got back last night from working EDC Orlando. If you guys don't know, EDC Orlando is a pretty big festival that they do in Florida. And I had a really great time, but because I was working in production and I was doing some field producing, I wasn't actually able to finish my last reading vlog that I have been working on. I talked about it in my last video. So yeah, there's like a temporary pause on that just because I've been working in the hospital and then I started working in production. I drove to Orlando and studying for the MCAT. There's just a lot of things going on. I think I'm gonna add a short EDC vlog. I didn't really get to talk or film much back in the media center or in our office because we're not really allowed to or really supposed to. I don't know, I had a really great time. It was a lot of fun, but now that I'm back and tomorrow I have to wake up at 5:30 in the morning for work. How exciting. Just the fact that I was walking around an entire festival and dealing with crowds of people at a certain time and just making sure that everyone was, you know, getting the videos and the pictures and everything that they needed. It was just, my ankles hurt, okay? My back hurts and I'm in pain. So I did cut myself some slack and sleep in today, but I do feel kind of gross and I don't want to feel like my day is over because it's not. It's only, well, it's already 2:56 p.m. I'm gonna be saving this half-wasted day. Since I did get some footage from EDC, I'll probably include a very short, kind of summarized vlog toward the beginning of this video, just because I thought it was really cute and I had a really fun time. So I'll put that now. So the plan is to save the day. I think I'm gonna go to the gym. Guys, I have not gone to the gym. I fully pay for a gym membership. I'm getting charged. And I've gone 2 times. Thinking about going to the gym right now is really not the vibe that I wanted, but I'm just gonna pick out a cute outfit. I can't start studying until around 4 anyway, because that's when parking opens for the library. So I think I might do that. And you're coming with me. No more scrolling. Let's go. I just got home and changed. I put on this sweater and I just kept my leggings on because I didn't really do a lot of anything. I couldn't be in the park because I had Apollo with me, so I just took him to the backyard for a bit and let him run around because since I live in an apartment, he doesn't really get to just frolic outside, and I felt bad that I left him the whole weekend since I was in EDC. So I took him to my aunt's backyard and we were just there for a bit. Now the plan is I'm going to the library to study there for a bit. I was trying to find excuses to not have to do that, but that's what this video is about. So I'm literally forcing myself to go. My issue is that tomorrow I do have to be up early. It's 5 p.m. I need to be up at around 5:30 in the morning. Let's go to the library before I change my mind. I just got home from studying and I had to make a pit stop at McDonald's. This obviously is not ideal This is not my ideal dinner, but it's already 10:57 p.m. and I didn't really have any other options at places that were open. So this is what we're working with. So I'm gonna eat and probably watch some Netflix or YouTube or something. So these are the pimple patches that I use, and then I started using these nose pore patches, which are kind of an extended version of the pimple patches. Almost 1 a.m. and I need to go to bed or I'm gonna be seriously sleep deprived, but I have to set my alarms for tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna do that now. I have to be up at around 5. Let me move to my bed. I look crazy before I forget. I have the most random alarm times. It's like 5:31, 5:48, and yeah, that's kind of everything that I wanted to do. Now I just have to keep it going. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Again, sorry that it took me so long to post. I've been really busy. Bye.